Holy shit! We're going nutrient dense today. Eating a whole ass lamb liver with a white t-shirt. We're living a risky life over here with the best science. As you know. Is your life even worth living if you ain't taking no risks? Think about the nutrition. Liver, that's our lamb liver. Raw chicken, bro. The most nutritious dense food in the whole world. Actually no, but it is in our heart of hearts. In our heart of hearts, raw chicken number one. You ain't got shit. Actually, this piece of lamb liver might be a little bit more nutrient dense. A little bit. This is actually pretty good liver. Not the best liver I ever had, but tastes kinda good. Hey, by the way, I have a whole episode about livers. Go check that out. Where I share my knowledge on livers. But that's not all we got today. This is the most nutrition dense. Why can't I say this? I cannot speak today. We got some bone marrow. That's some beef bone marrow. This stuff is delicious. Let me tell you that. Wow, that's good. Super good. Very buttery, fatty. Incredibly good. Very nutritious. I love bone marrow. Also one of the sought after parts of the animal in all the natural people. They always like to crack those bones to get that bone marrow. Now when you get a liver from a new source you have not tasted it, or bone marrow, or raw chicken, any raw animal based foods, you should probably not eat too much of it straight away, because there is always the potential of food poisoning. For example, if this lamb was not living his best life in the fields, he was fed some bullshit, the liver might not be too good. So eat it a little bit, kinda see how it feels. And if you just feel better, eat some more later. But I know about this raw chicken. Raw chicken never fails me. Wow, this raw chicken pretty tasty. Raw chicken really is. Some people don't know that some Japanese restaurants serve raw chicken as a gourmet food. Raw chicken sashimi. But I know that. But guess what, guys? This nutrient dense late lunch. And done. We ain't done with some lamb liver, beef bone marrow, raw chicken obviously. We're going with all the animal foods. We're eating all the animals. We got some salmon roe, one of my favorite foods. Just some fresh salmon roe. Man, that's good. That's not even over the top salted, which I like. We're eating fish, we're eating lambs, we're eating beef, and we're eating poultry. Getting all the nutrition human being needs. We're gonna be so strong tomorrow, like we are every single day. Now salmon roe, one of my all-time favorite foods. The taste is amazing. Obviously, it's so nutrient dense, one of the highest vitamin D food there is. One of the highest omega-3 foods there is. A lot of nutrition with that. No wonder we have a tradition in Finland when we eat salmon roe in Christmas, which is the darkest time of the year. We don't get any vitamin D. So I think salmon roe is like third highest food of all the foods in the freaking world. Or maybe they have not tested all the common foods. Brain number 1, number 2, organ meat, other organ meat, maybe. I don't remember. But salmon roe, one of the top 3 at least, or at least top 5. So it makes sense that Finnish people eat it on Christmas, darkest time of the year when we don't get no vitamin D from the sun. You get it from the salmon roe, and salmon obviously is also a big Christmas food here in Finland. But the thing is, you have to eat that, a shit ton of that to even get like the required amounts of vitamin D. What you really need to do to get real vitamin D is go out in the sun pretty much as you can. But obviously my Finnish ass is probably adapted to a little bit lower levels of vitamin D. And your body stores it if you get it a lot in the summer, which I do. So your body stores some of it. So I'm good. But most people are vitamin D deficient these days because they fear the sun, they don't go out in the sun, they don't eat the foods that have the highest amount of vitamin D. Because we cannot even eat the brains here in Finland if you don't grow the animals by yourself. So most people are vitamin D deficient. Most people are most nutrient deficient. Like most of the nutritions are lacking in most people's diets. If people would eat this shit here and there, like have a one bite here and there of liver from a healthy animal, that will make a big change, a huge change. Liver used to be traditionally one of the foods that they gave to children. Like the first solid foods they gave to children. Because people knew, wow, this part was even a little bit sweet still. sweet still. My pronunciation is extremely bad today. Also, I have the worst skin on the whole freaking experiment. Something is going on. My number one suspect is the raw milk I've been drinking up a lot. But I ain't never gonna stop raw milk. I'm addicted to the raw milk, guys. Wow, this liver even still a little bit sweet. I'm not gonna talk about much of the liver because I have a whole freaking 20-minute episode about livers. But yeah, this area here is probably the most inflamed, acne-ridden that it has been, definitely in the existence of base science, but in a while too. But it's only this area. I'm looking at the raw milk over there. Maybe my body is too saturated on the raw milk and it starts coming out of my freaking face. My skin was perfect in summer. The sunshine with some raw chicken, perfect skin. Raw milk. I've been drinking a lot of raw milk though for months now, and this has not happened. So, there's so definitely something to the Chinese traditional medicine, or I think it's from the Chinese traditional medicine, which analyzes where the acne breaks out in your face, if it's here, here. Like right now I have it here. Like the area of the body that's where it comes from, how your body is connected. Also the area, how do you pronounce it? Like when you analyze the eyes, Arjun's Wonderblenders was doing that. I don't know how true that is. I don't know about that. But there's definitely like connection, like, because it's only happening here. Otherwise my skin is really good right now. And I feel it after I drink that raw milk, but I drank it with bananas yesterday. So maybe it's the combination or whatever. When I had the little bit acne from the bone broth, it was the other side. It was right here. Now it's like right here, the other side. So like the food aggravates or does something in your body, in some part of your body, that comes out from here, the toxicity or whatever, the things your body doesn't want inside of your body, it detoxes them from your skin. But liver, one of the best foods also for the skin because of high retinol content. At least that's what they say. But my body's been craving liver this whole week, and now I found this lamb liver and it's good. It's whole big lamb liver. Not gonna eat it whole right now, but probably the best liver I ever had is reindeer liver. I still have some in the freezer, but it was also frozen, not fresh. But when you get taste of these foods, like your body knows what's up with liver, bone marrow, whatever, it starts to crave them when it wants them, and then it, for example, liver so nutrient dense, your body signals to you when it has had enough, clearly. At least my body does, and I listen to my body. Like right now my body is like, munch on that liver, son. That liver real good for you. But we'll see. Haven't had lamb liver in a while. Different animal livers taste a little different. Like beef liver, and the longer the animal has lived, the stronger the liver usually is. But beef liver is usually the strongest tasting one. But even that's still very good to me. If I crave liver, if I don't crave liver, liver kinda tastes like ass. Hell yeah. Raw chicken, raw liver, raw bone marrow, raw salmon raw. Did we just get all the nutrients human beings need? I think we did, boys and gals. I'm good. Thanks for watching.